Industry, engineering, explained. This is where machines finally make sense. Imagine a world without plastic. No mobile phones, no cars, no packaging, no medical equipment. Plastic has become one of the most important materials in modern civilization. But here is the surprising part. Plastic does not exist naturally. Every piece of plastic you see today started as crude oil deep inside the earth. So the big question is, how do massive factories convert crude oil into billions of plastic products every day? Today on Simple Gyan, we are going deep inside the industrial plastic manufacturing process. Everything begins with crude oil and natural gas. These fossil fuels are extracted from underground reservoirs and transported to petrochemical refineries. Inside the refinery, crude oil is heated to around 400 degrees in massive distillation towers. This process separates crude oil into different fractions, such as LPG, naphtha, diesel, kerosene, and heavy oils. For plastic manufacturing, the most important component is naphtha. Naphtha becomes the starting chemical for making plastic molecules. Now the naphtha is sent to a unit called a steam cracker. Here the temperature rises to 850 degrees. At this extreme heat, large hydrocarbon molecules break into smaller molecules. This process is called cracking. The most important molecules produced here are ethylene, propylene, butadiene, and benzene. These are known as monomers, the building blocks of plastic. Think of them like tiny Lego pieces. Now comes the real magic, polymerization. In giant chemical reactors, thousands of monomer molecules join together to form long molecular chains called polymers. Depending on the monomer used, different plastics are created. Ethylene makes polyethylene, and propylene makes polypropylene. These reactions occur under controlled conditions: high pressure, specific catalysts, and carefully controlled temperatures. The result is a thick molten polymer material. Factories rarely ship plastic as liquid. Instead, the molten plastic is pushed through long cooling lines and cut into tiny pieces. These pellets are about the size of rice grains. Plastic pellets are the global currency of the plastic industry. They are shipped worldwide to factories. Now the pellets arrive at manufacturing plants. Here they are melted again and shaped using industrial machines. There are several major plastic processing methods. Injection molding is the most common method. Plastic pellets are melted inside a heated barrel. A powerful screw then injects the molten plastic into a metal mold cavity. After cooling, the mold opens and a finished product appears. This produces mobile phone covers, bottle caps, and car dashboards. Extrusion is used for making continuous plastic shapes. Molten plastic is pushed through a shaped die. This creates products like plastic pipes and window frames. Blow molding is used to make hollow plastic objects. A tube of hot plastic is placed inside a mold. Compressed air inflates the plastic like a balloon. The result is products like water bottles, fuel tanks, and shampoo bottles. This process can produce thousands of bottles per hour. Pure plastic is rarely used. Factories mix special additives to improve performance. These additives can provide UV resistance, fire resistance, flexibility, and color. For example, carbon black strengthens plastic, while flame retardants improve safety. This is how plastics can be customized for thousands of different applications. After processing, plastic products are ready for use. They are used in packaging, electronics, automotive, medical equipment, and construction. However, plastic also creates environmental challenges. Scientists are now working on biodegradable plastics, recycling technologies, and bio-based polymers. The future of plastic manufacturing may soon become more sustainable and environmentally friendly. So next time you hold a plastic bottle, remember, that object went through massive chemical plants and reactors before reaching your hands. Plastic manufacturing is truly one of the largest industrial processes on Earth. If you enjoyed learning about how factories actually work, subscribe to Simple Gyan for more deep dives, and tell us in the comments, which factory process should we explore next?